Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. This is the first trade, pound yen, taken in the beginning of the week, Monday, 12th December. Okay, the week is from the 12th to 16th. So on the 12th December, this is the entry here, and on the left you can see on the yellow mark it says buy entry, and the SL moved to break even plus, and the entry is alive when I took this picture, right? So it is all, I close the trade after I take the pick. Oh, this is, excuse me, this is a pound yen from 20-minute chart, long 80 pip on the 12th. So next trade is USD yen on the 12th for 120 pip. This is a perfect by the book entry, and buy order is right there. This one is the US oil taken. This is the entry, and it is taken from 71.44 to 73.46 on the 12th. And this is the USD yen again. The first one was there, the retracement, and then this is from here. Buy order on the 12th again for 60 pip, but this is like a second entry and a smaller chart. That's why the move looks big, but only 60 pip because it's from 7-minute chart, the same day. On the 13th, the next day, the US oil again. So this was the first one you saw from here, from 20-minute chart, and then the retracement and buy order here from the 40-minute chart, and it's gone from 74.03 to 75.69. Buy order is right there. On the 13th, this was the entry here on pound USD from 20-minute chart, and this is, I think, was an NFP. And after that, this is what happened, 90 pip from there. Buy order is right there. And again, same day, the USD, Euro USD, buy order for 80 pip on the 13th. And on the 14th, the next day, US oil, the first entry I just showed you was here, right? And then again, it went up, dip, and then this buy order is from the 40-minute from 75.54 to 77.33 now. Let's keep going to the upside, right? This yellow mark was supposed to be here, just moved here somehow. I don't know why. All right, 14th, and then 14th again, US oil. This is from the smaller time frame. There was a big one, and then it dip here again from 20-minute chart. Buy order again, one more shot from 76.03 to 77.36. Now this one on the 15th, pound Aussie, 130 pip. This is the buy order right there. And excuse me. And Euro-AUD on the 15th December, 120 pip. Beautiful entry here and gone all the way to the upside. Buy orders right there. All because of the CTS alarm that I had. And on the 15th, Euro Yen for 85 pip. This is the entry. This was the entry. This was taken, but it went up, sitting at a break even. It dipped, took that entry out. The SL is gone at break even, and then after that, again, this is the entry here. This was the entry here. This was the entry here. This was the entry here. But this one I didn't take it because I'm already in. The first one I took and got knocked out, and then second one, boom, 85 pip. This is pound USD because of the USD start getting strong on the 15th, 150 pip to the downside, sell order right there. Just below 23.96. It's a big level, 23.96. On the 15th, USD yen went to the upside. This is because of the USD strength coming in. So pound USD, I'll show you the chart. And this is 150 plus pip to the upside. And this is CAD yen, 15 December, and 60 pip to the upside, buy order. And then this is today, not today, I mean Friday, on the 16th December. This is pound yen from 7-minute chart because I was expecting an entry from 20-minute, but it retraced even a little bit more and messed up my entry. So I said, okay. So it went up basically to the 40-minute chart setup. And after 40 minutes, usually first entry we take from 7 minutes. So I took this one, 70 pip. It was Friday anyway, so I said, okay. 16th on the, and another one on the Friday, 16th, the USD-CAD buy order is right there, 80 pip, and the entry is right there. Entry was basically was Thursday. So it went up. I didn't close on time. Then it dipped. And I said, well, what the hell with it? Let it go. Because I was expecting a little bit more to the upside because of the USD strength. So I said, okay, if that shows up, it will go up a little bit more. So on Friday, this dip, and then again, it, total of 80 pip on that. And oh, okay. So this one is a little pig, like you can see that on Friday. The USD-CAD trade I just showed you, I posted on the Telegram. I posted the chart, and this is the chart, and this is the detail about that. Pound is going to get weaker. It's going to go down, and all pound pair will be going down. Now GJ short and GU short, and GU I have the entry already still going on. I didn't close it because it's less than 50 pip. I don't make the chart less than 50 pip. But GG I just showed you here. For 70 pip, I closed this one already taken from 7. So it was making a short. So these are the trades that entry I post on this one, the big pound USD going down for 150 pip. I posted the chart and I said close it in now. I had it on the Telegram. I posted it earlier. So this is how it is. And let me show you what heads up about something, and that is US dollar index. Now, US dollar index, I made this chart on the 2nd of December that is going to drop to 1026, and then we'll take off from there. By the way, I predicted that it's going to drop all the way from the top, so it did, right? And I showed that chart several times. So it came down all the way, and then this was the turning point I was expecting. And as of today, when I'm making this video, this is what will happen. Not this one. Where the heck that thing go? Oh, sorry, that's a different broker here. Yeah, here. Okay. So this is the one. You see that? So it came exactly to that 1026, and then now beautiful bullish, powerful bullish candle. It was in the making, and it's finished like this. Big wick in the bottom, very close, a big body on the top, right? So it is probably going to continue going to the upside the next week. And when that happens, what's happening? This is what's happening. EU, GU, AU, they will go down. That's why I had this GU short I just showed you, and UJ long. You saw it, right? So use both of these. Let me show you again that this was also CAD long. This is the one because of that USD, and this long because of that, right? And this short because of that. So 4 pairs, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and Aussie USD. They will go down. USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc goes up. USD Yen and Franc, I stopped trading that. Forget it. So USD CAD, I already had the trade. USD Yen, I already had a trade, and more to come. More to come. There will come more trades will come in these pairs because USD just started to go. What the heck? Here, it just is starting to go, right? So I think that after the overall trend was long, right? And this is the retracement, but it's a powerful retracement. Excuse me. And now it's going up to at least 38%. We should give a little bit respect, right? The previous, for example, this. So at least 38% back to this high here. Okay, here. So see, 38% is going back exactly there, 1753. So even maybe it's not going to go in a straight line. Of course, it will be wobbling, right? If you look at the 40-minute chart, this is how it's going right now, right? So it dropped here, and this is where it makes the turn. So it went up, and then this, and this could be wave 1, 2, 3, and then this is wave 4, running flat, wave 5, wave 1. That would be A. Then it'll drop for B, and then it'll go up for C. So I will be tracking that and then trading everything accordingly. This is how I do, so pretty much the whole thing is under control. And this is the chart I made today. You see that earlier, saying that I even posted on the Telegram that this is what's going to happen when the price was here. when I made it. So the seat is started to go down a little bit. Now the thing is that today was Friday, so it slows down, and this is the reason that I had pound yen short, and not this was not the only reason. Pound yen went down big time because of the yen strength as well. So yen index is getting strong. That helped, but this pound yen, I also have a short running on pound USD again. So I'll show that trade maybe Monday. Okay. So this is what happened. So USD, yeah, USD index moving very nicely, and just be ready, and where the heck to go? Yeah. Right. So when it's as long as it's going to the upside, this will happen. Given the other currency, some will go up. So let's, for example, this one, right? So pound is weak, USD getting strong. So this pound USD will go down faster. But if NUSI is strong and USD getting strong, then this pair is not going to go nowhere, right? So forget about this one. So based on that, but whichever chart gives me the entry also in that direction that I'm looking at. For example, so far, GU has given me a short, and UC and UJ has given me the long. So I took them, and they all went good, right? So Aussie USD, I'm watching, but I'm not, very much into it. But yeah, Euro USD, it's dropped, but it has not given me a setup, so I don't trade. And this one is out of the way, and this one is out of the way. I don't trade these two. So UC gave me the, and UJ, they gave me the long, and I took it, right? Another long Monday, Tuesday, I'm going to take them. Right? So this is how it is. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to learn how to do it, and get the trades like this, especially, it's like 150. It's a beautiful, beautiful entry, right? And pound USD going down like this, man, and then this Euro Aussie, 120 pip to the upside, Euro pound Aussie, 130, because they both went up because of the weakness in Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar start to drop. Let me show you that how it is dropping. Aussie dollar, Aussie dollar, Aussie dollar, right here. See that? It started to drop, and they went to the upside. The weekly chart, you can see also that, this big, nice black candle. This number is stopped at 48, 45.10, and now it's dropping very, very, very good. All right. So let's see how far it's gonna go. I think this 23% line is probably gonna stop it a little bit more, and then might take turn to the upside. So whatever, let's see, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Ay, ay. Okay, stop recording.